Service in Maine has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Grafton County in northern New Hampshire until 2:45 p.m. At 1:46 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northwest of Haverhill, or 22 miles southwest of Littleton, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Littleton,